Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share with you a review on this postcard pad from Jackson's. I haven't seen a review on this product here on YouTube, so I thought since I have it, I might as well post this in case anyone is interested. The pad itself is A6 in size and comes wrapped in a plastic shrink wrap. The cover is black with Jackson's logo debossed in the bottom right corner. It's a glued binding with black tape on the side. The back is supported by a chipboard, pretty standard as far as paper pads go. Inside there is 12 sheets of blank postcards. There isn't any information on the product itself, but the online listing says it's 350 GSM, not watercolor paper, so that's cold-pressed watercolor paper, and I'm inclined to agree. Although for the surface texture, it's not completely smooth, but also not as textured as standard cold press watercolor paper either, so I'd say it's somewhere in between. The color of the paper is white. There's no yellowish tint or anything, so that's good. The back side has a simple template for where to place your stamp and lines to write an address. And then here I am testing this out with a quick floral painting. I didn't plan on using a flat brush, but it was a nice change from my regular quill brushes. And here is the next day after completely drying. Tearing the single postcard off was an easy process. Clean tear, no rips, no glue residue. All good. The stamp guide is nice, small enough to be covered by the stamp. And there you have it, one personalized hand-painted watercolor postcard ready to be sent off. I think this would be a great product for pen pals or anyone who likes sending and exchanging postcards worldwide. I'll leave a link to the product in the description box below. I also found some similar products on Jackson's, so I'll put that here on screen right now, as well as the price per sheet for easy comparison. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.